Let us learn Tagalog in 10 minutes every day. This time, you will learn how to speak Tagalog even though you're just at home. You don't need to pay for your tutor. Yes, you heard it right. You don't need to pay for your tutor because this is for free. So, hurry up and listen carefully. Brought to you by CTG or Krisan Tagalog. See you and enjoy watching and listening. Let us start first with vocabulary words. We have maganda. Maganda in English means beautiful or good. Next is araw. Araw in English means day or sun. Umaga. It means morning. Tanghali means noon. Hapon. This is pronounced as hapon, not hapon. Hapon means afternoon. However, if you pronounce it as hapon, you are pertaining to the Japanese people. Next, we have gabi. Gabi means evening in English. Then we have din or rin. It means to or also. And we have anji and na, which will become our ligature or connector. And you're gonna find it out later once we start our discussion. This time, I would like you to repeat after me. Maganda. Can you say it? Very good. Araw. Very good. Umaga. Perfect. Tanghali. That's correct. Hapon. Very good. Gabi. Perfect. Din or rin. Fabulous. Ng or na. Very good. Now that we've learned about vocabulary words, we will now move to conjugation. How to conjugate adjectives to a noun in order to form greetings. Let's find out. We have the word maganda. Then we're gonna put the ligature anji. And it is pronounced as magandang. Can you say it? Magandang. Correct. And now we will put araw. Can you say it? Magandang araw. Very good. Maganda is an adjective. And it ends with a vowel. That's why we need to add ng. We need the ligature ng. Then, araw is a noun or common noun. And magandang araw in English means good day. Magandang umaga. So let's do the practice. Kindly repeat after me. Magandang umaga. Correct. Magandang tanghali. Very good. Magandang hapon. That's correct. Magandang gabi. Perfect. And magandang araw. Correct. This time, it is your turn to read it on your own. I am going to give you minutes to do that. All right, very good. You pronounce it perfect. Now, let us find out how you're going to respond to these greetings. How to respond? Let's say we have maganda. Then the ing like magandang. Then araw. So again, this is the structure. If you're going to respond to magandang araw, say the same. Magandang araw, then add din. Let's see the structure. Adjective, araw is a noun, plus din. So again, you're going to use din if the noun ends with consonant. And that means good day too. However, if we have this kind of respond, like magandang umaga rin, let's see the structure. Adjective, ligature ing, plus noun, and since our noun, umaga, ends with vowel, we have to use rin. And this means good morning too. Let us practice. Magandang araw. And what are you going to say? Magandang araw din. That's correct. Magandang umaga. And you will say, very good. Magandang tanghali. You are correct. Magandang hapon. Perfect. Magandang gabi. Very good. Now, let us take our turns. I'll be the one to respond to you. And this time, you'll be the one to greet me. Let's start. Magandang araw din. Magandang umaga rin. Magandang tanghali rin. Magandang hapon din. Magandang gabi rin. Alright, since we're done with our practice, let us see if you learned something from it. You may now free to get your pen if you want and try to answer the exercise that I'm going to show you this time. Exercise. Fill in the blanks. Write the missing letter in each blank. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. And number 8. You may now write your answer to your paper that you got a while ago. We're done! For our next video, we will find out if you get the correct answer to this exercise. Also, I suggest that you practice it with your partner at home, or maybe you can practice it with your friends, or your son or daughter, or your wife, and to anyone that could help you to practice your speaking skills when it comes to Tagalog. And do not forget also to be mindful on how you pronounce the word or words, because whenever you pronounce it differently, it may also mean different. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share to others. This is Crisan Tagalog saying, it's more fun in the Philippines, and learning Tagalog is fun. God bless!